Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to share blog or post on LinkedIn instantly without coding. So the idea here is that whenever you create a new post in your Blogger account, automatically the same post should be created into your LinkedIn account instantly. But here the question is how to do this, because there is no direct connection between Blogger and LinkedIn. So first let us check this in the real time and then we will move on to the integration process. So this is my Blogger account and this is my LinkedIn account. So now I want that whenever I create a new post here in my Blogger account, the same post should be created instantly into the LinkedIn account also. So I'll just create a new post by clicking on new post. Let's give the title as India's Harna Sandhu crowned Miss Universe 2021. Along with that, I want to add a content. So I have added a content over here. And with this content and the title, I want an image also. So I'll just insert the image from my system. Okay, I'll select the file. And I want this image to be posted. The image is getting uploaded. Okay, and let's click on select. Okay, and here we can see that the image is displayed. I'll just maximize the image size over here. Okay. And let's click on publish. So here we can see that a new post is created. Let's view this particular post. Yes, here we can see that the post is published properly. Now let us check our LinkedIn account. I'll refresh it. And here we can find a new notification. So I'll just open it. Your post was shared successfully on LinkedIn. So let's view the post. Okay, and here we can see that the title along with the image and the content is displayed over here and the post is published. So now here you might be wondering that I just created a new post here in my Blogger account and automatically the same post is created here in my LinkedIn account also. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and integration process. So in order to create an integration between Blogger and LinkedIn, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Blogger with LinkedIn automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between Google Blogger and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture the details of the post and using those details automatically a new post will be created into the LinkedIn account. And in this way we are going to learn that how we can create an integration between Blogger and LinkedIn using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Blogger to LinkedIn. And here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a new post is created in Blogger account, automatically the same post should be created on the LinkedIn account also. So here in the trigger window, we are going to select the application name as Blogger or the Google Blogger. In the trigger event, we have to select new post added. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and connect with Google Blogger. Now here we have to choose an account, so I'll just choose the account. Pabbly Connect Blogger wants additional access to your Google account. Okay, so I'll just click on continue and give away the access as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful, and now the Google Blogger account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the blog ID. So I'll take you to my Blogger account, and here you can find the blog ID. So we have to select the same over here, which is automatically captured. Now here we have to select the status as live or only draft or only scheduled. So in my case, I want that whenever a new post is added and it is live, then only this trigger should run. Okay. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first let us go to the Google Blogger and let's create a new post, just because after clicking on save and send test request, it is going to capture the latest response. So I'll go to the Blogger account, and here I'll just click on new post to create a new post. Here we have to add the title, and here we can give the content. So I'll just add the title over here. So I have given the title as India's Space Revolution, and I'll just add the content also. Now with this title and content, I want to upload an image also. For that, come to this insert image option. Click on upload from computer if you have the images in your computer. We can select the files by clicking on choose files option. I'll just go to the downloads, and from here I'm just selecting this India's Space Revolution image, and let's click on open. Okay, and the file is getting uploaded over here. Okay, and here we can see that the image is uploaded. Now let's click on select, and here we can see that the title, its content and the image is ready. Now let's click on publish. This will publish this post to your blog. Okay, let's confirm it. And here we can see that the post has been published. Let us check this by clicking on the view button. Okay, and here we can see that the post has been published. Now let us go back to Pabbly Connect and click on save and send test request. So the response is received. Let us check all details we have received in the response. Here we can see the published date, updated date and time along with the URL. Okay, I'll scroll down. Here we can find the title, its content, image URL and all other details related to the post. Now I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes it may take some time in fetching the data, as the trigger here is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that, and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. Your data will surely arrive. Now here we can see that we have received this particular content in HTML tag form. Okay. So in order to retrieve this HTML tag content to simple text, we are going to use a next application. For that, come to this action window, and here we are going to select it as Data Transformer. In the action event, we have to select strip HTML tags. Click on connect. Now here we have to select the string or the encoded string. Enter encoded string to decode. So we want the content to be decoded. For that, I'll just map the content over here. So let us find the content from Google Blogger. And this was the content. So our content is mapped over here. Now let us click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see that the response is received, and we can see that we have received the content into the simple format or the simple text. Now we want that this particular post should be created on the LinkedIn account instantly. For that, come to this plus sign and click on add action step. Here in the action window, we are going to select the application name as LinkedIn. In the action event, we have to select share an article or URL. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and connect with LinkedIn. Now it has taken me to the sign in window. I'll just click on sign in. Authorization successful. And now my LinkedIn account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my LinkedIn account. Now here we have to select the author, which is automatically captured over here. Now here we have to give the content and article URL. So we have already got these details from the blogger post. So we are going to map all those details now. So for the content, first I want the title to be displayed. So let us find the title over here. That is India's Space Revolution. And after that I want the content. For that I'll just select the content from data transformer because we have retrieved the content. So I'll just map this particular content. Now here we have to select the article URL. So I'll just select the image URL over here from Google Blogger. Okay, let us find the image URL. Okay, this one, image 0 URL. Let us map it. Now we have to select the visibility as public or connection. So I want it to be as public. I'll be keeping it as public. You can select it as per your requirement. And let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. Now let us check the LinkedIn account. And here we can find one new notification. So I'll just open this notification. Your post was shared successfully on LinkedIn. So let us view the post. And here we can see that the title along with the content and the image is posted over here. So in this way we can see that our integration is working. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time. For that, I'll just go to the Blogger account and I'll create a new post over there by clicking on this plus sign, new post. I'll just give the title as National Energy Conservation Day 2021. Along with that, I'll just add the content over here. Okay. Now, along with this, I want an image also. So, I'll select the image from my system. I'll choose the file. Let us select this particular image. The image is getting uploaded over here. Okay, and let's click on select. Okay, I'll just make this image a little bit bigger. Okay, and now let's click on publish. And here we can see that a new post is created. I'll just view this particular post. Okay, here we can see the title along with the content and the image. Now let us check the LinkedIn account. Let's go to the notifications tab. Okay, let us refresh it. And even after refreshing, we can't find our post over here just because I have already informed you that the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to retrieve the data. So let's wait for some minutes. And here, after 5 minutes, we can find a new notification. Let's click on this. Your post was shared successfully on LinkedIn. Let's view our post. And here we can see that the title along with the content and the image is posted over here also. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay, I'll just minimize Google Blogger also. So first we have created an integration between Google Blogger and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details related to the new post. Then by using data transformer, we have retrieved the content from the HTML tag to the normal content or the simple text. And using all these details, Pabbly Connect has created a new post in the LinkedIn account. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Google Blogger and LinkedIn using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.